Okay, we are on live.
लाइव है साला।
लाइव नहीं है लेकिन रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है अभी।
हाँ
ठीक है। Okay?
बोलो।
सबको मैं टैग करने वाला हूँ तो नो एफ एंड बी।
ठीक है। आज
Boss.
पेश करते हैं।
वॉइस वॉइस
हाँ
वॉइस भी है क्या?
वॉइस आ जाएगा, मैं कवर नहीं
अच्छा।
किया। आना तो चाहिए, अभी पता नहीं।
चल अच्छा।
गाइस आज है ना अपना आखिरी मैच है।
बॉस डू और डाई।
Okay, sorry. We have an Englishman in the team.
Englishman.
So we got to speak English here, right? So
Okay,
today is our last match,
हाँ।
and we got to win this match. If we don't win this match, next 2 matches probably we'll still play, but like it's not going to be fun.
Yep.
So today we'll be taking time, and I'll be talking to every bowler. Every bowler, I might talk to them at every ball they ball, how they should and where they should ball. We got to execute that. Like I'm really.
And you are only going to talk to bowler, not anyone else.
Huh?
Anyone who wants to put the suggestion, it would be to you, and you will.
Any suggestion coming,
Yeah.
do not go to bowler.
Yeah.
I do not want any pressure on bowler today. Come and talk to me or talk to bowler when I'm there, because I might be thinking something
Yeah.
different and you might have a different strategy, right?
Yeah.
So we got to strategize every ball we play today. Every ball, because our asset is actually bowling. With Mayur, Vinod and Jakat, we have 12 overs out of 18 overs. We should get at least 6-7 wickets. If we fail to get that, then yes, we have a problem, right? And then later on, when the ball becomes a bit soft, Anuj would be the perfect bowler, because his ball comes from the middle of the bat. If he tries to go up, we have to put right people in the catching position. So at that time, we'll need a proper catching as well. And if I'm putting you, say, 3 foot here, 4 foot here, you change the angle, no problem, but don't change the distance. Don't change the distance. Angle थोड़ा यहाँ वहाँ देख लेना, bat कैसे घुमा रहा है बंदा, how he's swinging the bat around. Change little bit angle, but don't change the length.
Can we start from the boundary and then bring based on how their bat swing is?
Yep.
Let's not start with middle or between the 15
Yeah.
and
Look, first 1 or 2 hours will need the
Yeah.
time to understand how they are playing. Right? I don't know how they play.
exactly. So
No?
let's start from the edge
Yeah.
and then bring forward based on how
Yeah.
much distance they're covering.
Vinod is always bowling first over in practice. He will start the first over.
Fine.
Then the combination of Mayur and Jagat. Mayur,
Vinod
you
said
will be
first
finishing
over
all your
doesn't
4
mean
overs.
you'll
If
not
you
be
get
playing.
tired,
I will do the
let me
same.
know. If you say,
Get
yeah,
ready,
2
long
overs,
on and
I need to take some time, it's okay. Jagat, same with you. Okay?
Acha, yeah.
You? Jagat, same with you. If you get tired, no need to become Sher Shawari. Tell I'm done with it. Give me 2 hours of break, and then we'll come back and we'll put you. But we got to finish Vinod, Mayur, and Jakat's over in first 14 overs. You guys have 12 overs of quota, but we got to finish your all 3. It's a big risk, but we got to do that. Okay, it's the last game for us.
Yep.
We have to win it. We have to take chance. We have to take risk. So this is a bowling strategy, right? There is no Ankur today.
No.
Okay. So we are left with like 6 overs, right? So 6 overs. Vikas is there,
Karthik is there,
Karthik is there,
Anuj is there.
and Anuj is there. So we have 12 overs among these 3, and they are all good bowlers.
I would prefer consider yourself and Kushal as well. You have consistent line
I might go for
based
one.
on how other bowlers are doing.
Yeah. Okay. I'll try, but let's use a top guns first.
Fine.
And if needed, I can come in for a 1 over or something, just to give someone break or something like that.
Fine.
चलो
But fielding wise, please remember, guys, वो जो 3/4 का जो मैं कुछ बोलूँगा ना, keep that distance. Okay, change the angle, that's fine, but keep the distance. Okay, and if you are changing angle also too much, talk to bowler first or talk to me first. Okay, and let's work as a team. And if we are taking time on the field, चलो जल्दी करो, don't do that. We have to win this match. Okay, अगर 2 minutes extra लिए, if you take 2 minutes extra, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. We have whole day today to play this match. Just think like that. Okay, no one has any objection to that, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay then. Let's.
I also tell everybody. Yeah.
Yes,
Fine.
almost there.
So I also tell everybody about the same, right? Before everybody bowls, I can tell it here, right? So this is, keep it like this, it's gonna go outside, right? If you keep it like this, it's gonna go inside. But you have to keep your fingers on the same, like this. This is inside, this is outside. and I've tried couple of times it works. It really works. He has tried as well, right? I told you last time it worked, right? His ball was going leg wide, right? And I told him to do it off off swing,
Right? Outside.
yeah, and then it worked. So just keep it in
Let's
mind.
no. Let's try not to give wides on the leg side, and full is better than short pitch.
That's why I'm giving this. So
Yeah.
rather than wide, just adjust your bowling according to this,
Fine sir.
and it works.
All good? और किसी को कुछ बोलना है?
इन लोगों को कितना टाइम है अभी दोनों को?
Anyone wants to say anything?
अरे call करो.
Keep talking
Yes.
to the batsman.
Someone should be there always in the line backside because we are losing a lot
No,
of
he
runs.
Kushal is
Will,
always
where?
Even if we are
Behind the wicket?
yeah, behind the wicket, at least on the line, inner line, or if we complete the 6 over, the outer line as well.
Okay.
Because we are losing a lot of runs that way.
call कर रहे हो क्या सर उनको? हाँ.
And 20-30 runs every match it's going in.
Like singles, doubles.
Double sometimes four.
Okay.
Behind the keeper.
तो राकेश को
Because every team has got one player there to
Yeah.
save that. If it is wide, it will be in one single run, it will go. Otherwise, it will go there.
Okay.
So you just
Cool.
put here, I can just put it.